Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to split the screen on your Galaxy A26, all versions. First, you need to open the app you want to use in split screen. Exit the app, okay? Now you're gonna tap this button. Now all the apps that are open in the background will appear. You're gonna tap the icon of the app you want to use in split screen, and now select this option. Now you'll tap here and look for another app to use in split screen, okay? Tap on the app, and now we have two apps in split screen. By tapping here in the middle and clicking these arrows, you can swap the two screens. Here, you can press and hold, making one screen smaller and the other bigger. We can make the screen smaller, and to exit split screen, you'll tap this button and drag it up, which will close the split screen. So that's it for today's video. I hope I was able to help. If I helped, don't forget to like, leave your comment below, and if you can, subscribe to the channel for more videos.